Over 17 billion IoT devices are online right now. Shodan scans every public IP, extracts each fingerprint for servers, cameras, routers, you name it, and turns them into a searchable map of the internet's exposed assets. In seconds, you see what attackers already see in a phase commonly known as reconnaissance. In this video, we will go through 3 practical, fully actionable use cases that you can implement right away to secure your environment. By 2034, the number of Internet of Things connections is expected to reach 40.6 billion. This is why Shodan has become a core open source intelligence resource for defenders and security teams. The main dashboard is simple, but its power lies in the search bar. Shodan indexes banners, the metadata that services send back, giving us a fingerprint of the device. We use filters like country, port, and product to precisely narrow our search. Let's start with a very common and very realistic use case. You are doing a security assessment, a pen test, or even continuous monitoring, and you need to identify potentially vulnerable services exposed to the internet. With Shodan, instead of actively scanning, you can simply create a query based on the service you are interested in. For example, let's say we want to look for systems exposing remote desktop protocol, which, as we know, is a frequent attack vector. What we get back is a list of hosts exposing that service, including IPs, ports, banners, and sometimes even operating system or service metadata. From here, a security team can validate ownership, assess risk, and collaborate on remediation. This is vulnerability hunting without touching the target. The second use case is external asset discovery, something every organization should be doing, but many still don't. We first need to understand what our external attack surface looks like before we can take any action. Shodan, among others, allows you to search by organization name, ASN, or IP ranges. The results you get here can be extremely valuable. You can see all externally visible assets, web servers, VPNs, mail services, remote access portals, everything an attacker would see first. Let's make something very clear. If an asset shows up here, it is part of your attack surface, whether still used or not. If it is there, you should make sure to deal with it as an active exposed asset. The third use case is during incident response. Imagine you detect suspicious activity, maybe from firewall logs or CM alerts, and all you have is an external IP address. One of the first things you can do is simply look that IP up in Shodan. Instantly, you get context, geolocation, open ports, running services, device type, or vendor. This context helps you prioritize containment and response. Shodan helps accelerating decision making in a proactive and not a reactive manner. As we've demonstrated, Shodan offers a broad range of capabilities. The lesson is simple. You cannot defend what you don't know is exposed. Make sure to regularly audit your perimeter, using the techniques shown today or any other method that fits your environment to maintain continuous visibility. One of the videos to follow will be a hands-on dive into Shodan's Chinese counterpart, Zoomai. Stay tuned. I would like to thank you for joining me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and share it with anyone who could benefit from watching it. Take care.